Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to do the unboxing of my Allure box. I just received it today. I wish I would get these boxes earlier in the month. It seems like they drag in one at a time. So this is the box. It comes wrapped in like a cellophane paper, plastic wrap, but I went ahead and I took that off. I have not looked inside the box, so we'll do it together. And when you open the box, there is a little booklet that gives you a description of everything that is in the box. Allure is $15 a month. It's a subscription and you can stop at any time you want to. And normally you do get 4 to 5, sometimes 6 deluxe size products. Once in a while you do get full sizes. So the first thing that I'm pulling out is a Kendra dry oil hairspray, which I'm not really sure how I feel about dry oil hairspray. I mean, it would be nice if it makes your hair shiny, but if it makes it oily, it doesn't feel oily and it smells good. So maybe it'll be okay. So let me see what the pamphlet says about it. It says the hairspray does what it promises, gives medium hold, but the real reason I love it is because of its hair perfecting perks. It smooths the flyaways and frizz without flattening out your texture. And the regular size is $19 and is available at Ulta. The next product that I'm pulling out is Natural Glowing Skin Bronzing Water by Saint Tropez. And it says bronzing water mousse. So I have seen some of these products. You know, most of them are water. It looks like this one turns into a mousse. I really don't want to do it because I don't want to stain my hand. But that would be interesting. I think I'll try it on my legs. So let me see what it says about that. So it says, in the bottle, a self-tanner looks like water, liquid, and totally clear. But in your hand, it becomes an easy-to-spread mousse. You don't need to rinse it off, which is a major plus. You can immediately get dressed and meet friends without staining your clothing. So that's kind of nice. And the regular price is $42 for the full size, and it is also available at Ulta. So I'm excited to try this on my legs. I think if it turns into a mousse, it would be easier to spread, because if it's just a spray, I think it's hard to tell if you miss any, you know, any parts or anything like that, any sections. So if it's a mousse, you have more control as to where it's going. So I think I'd rather do the mousse. The next thing is, it looks like Wonder Beauty Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks, and you get 2 of them, which is nice. I do like eye masks to get rid of the puffiness, so I like that. There's also a Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. Let me tell you how much the masks were. The masks are $25 for 6, and I got 2 of them. And they're available at wonderbeauty.com. And this is the Coconut Skin Smoothing Priming Moisturizer. And this is by First Aid. I have never tried this before. I've received it before, but I think that I passed that on to my daughter. So let me see if it smells like coconuts. It smells a little bit like coconuts, very faint. It's not very strong at all. It does feel very nice on the skin, very smoothing. It smells nice. Not too strong. Even if you're sensitive to scents, this is not going to bother you. The next thing is by CLE, and it's a melting lip powder. It's long-lasting matte lip and cheek tint. I would never use this on my cheeks, and I'm not too sure about my lips. If you haven't tried lip powders, they're exactly what they sound like. Powders that you spread over your lips, and then they magically turn into smooth slip tints. They deliver color that's more pigmented and buildable than a stain, but just as natural looking. And the regular price on that is $19.99, and it's available at CLE Cosmetics. And the regular price of the First Aid Coconut cleanser is $28, and is available at First Aid Beauty. But I think I've seen this either at Ulta or Sephora, this brand. But it has to be much bigger than this. This is very, very little. So let's see how this works. Stuff like this scares me. They look so messy. I don't know. I'm a traditional lipstick person. It looks a little shiny. It feels cold and wet when you put it on your skin. So it's a pretty color. Now it looks matte. But it feels like a lipstick. It doesn't feel powdery now. So who knows? I'll try it and see how it turns out. Not on my cheeks. This is too dark for the cheeks. Holy moly. I don't think that would be a good look. And last but not least is it came in this little pouch which says Beauty Loot. And it's L'Oreal Paris, and this is the Elnet Satin Hairspray, extra strong hold. And this is expensive. This is like $18 for the full can. And it's supposed to be one of those hairsprays that when you spray your hair, it's gonna stay wherever. It's not gonna move. It's like having a helmet. So I really don't care for strong sprays like this, because I like to be able to still put my hand through my hair, and I don't think you can really do that. But I know it's expensive. I don't know, we'll see. And let me see if it gives me the price, but I think I've seen it before for like $18 at like a Target. The lipstick was $19.99. I can't remember if I told you guys. And it's available at CLE Cosmetics. And where are you? Here it is. I guess it's just an extra that they gave me, an extra product, because it doesn't have a price. It just shows it at the end of the booklet, but it doesn't have a price on it. So this must be like a little extra. So got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and the eye mask, 6 products. It was okay. I feel like this month's beauty boxes were not too exciting. The BoxyCharm was okay, but not too thrilling. I did like my Play by Sephora, but this one was okay. I mean, I do like the eye mask, and this, I think this will be cool to use on my legs and see if it does a good job. I'm going to try it tomorrow. But that's about it. This is no big deal. The hair oil. This is not anything that I can see myself using. I may try it one time and see how it works, but this is not my type of product. I may give it to my granddaughter. She may think it's cool, but I don't really care for that. So anyway, that is my Allure box, guys. I hope that you enjoyed this short video, and I will see you soon. Thank you for spending some time with me. And remember, if you're new, please subscribe. I will be holding a giveaway when I hit 100 subscribers, and I believe that I'm at 65 now. So hopefully, I'm hoping, fingers crossed, that it won't take too long. And I'm going to be having some Bite Beauty products, Becca, also Smashbox. So I hope that I'll be able to do that soon. So thank you so much. Have a good week, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.